tired of spending countless hours buried in books and still feeling like you're not making progress? Do you ever wonder if there's a better way to study that actually leads to better results? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're tackling those questions head-on. I'm going to share with you some game-changing study tips that will not only save you time but also supercharge your learning. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of effective studying? Are you ready to discover a whole new world of academic excellence? Great! Let's jump right into it. Here are some key study tips for studying effectively. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your study session. Having specific goals keeps you focused and motivated. 2. Create a study schedule. Plan out your study sessions in advance. Allocate time for each subject or topic, and stick to your schedule as closely as possible. 3. Organize your materials. Keep your study area tidy and have all your materials, such as textbooks, notebooks, and stationery, readily available. 4. Use active recall. Instead of passively reading, actively quiz yourself on the material. This forces your brain to retrieve information, enhancing memory retention. 5. Practice with real-world examples. Apply what you're learning to practical scenarios. This helps you understand concepts better and see their relevance. 6. Utilize the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break. This technique boosts productivity and prevents burnout. 7. Engage multiple senses. Incorporate visual aids, diagrams, and even audio recordings into your study routine. Engaging multiple senses enhances understanding and memory. 8. Teach someone else. Explain the material to a friend or even an imaginary audience. Teaching reinforces your understanding and helps identify areas where you need more clarity. 9. Take effective notes. Use abbreviations, symbols, and keywords to jot down main ideas. Review and organize your notes regularly to keep them fresh in your mind. 10. Use spaced repetition. Revise previously learned material at increasing intervals. This technique reinforces long-term memory retention. 11. Stay hydrated and well-nourished. Drink plenty of water and eat brain-boosting foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts to keep your energy levels up. 12. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation and cognitive functioning. 13. Stay active. Regular physical activity enhances blood flow to the brain, improving focus and cognitive abilities. 14. Reward yourself. After completing a study goal, treat yourself to a small reward. Positive reinforcement can boost motivation. 15. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Regular, smaller study sessions are more effective than cramming. 16. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone on silent, and create a distraction-free study environment. 17. Review and reflect. After a study session, take a few minutes to reflect on what you've learned. This reinforces the material in your mind. Remember, everyone's learning style is unique, so experiment with these tips and adapt them to what works best for you. Happy studying!